Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing fidget trading again, part 2. Well, I don't know where Lainey is. She's just washing off something off her hands. Guess it was toothpaste that she squirted out.
Just on my hands.
Weird person. If you agree with me, comment down below.
Ooh. Okay.
Okay, you go first.
Okay. Trading stress ball, going once, going twice, going
I do.
3 times?
I do.
Okay. What would you trade? This is super duper 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 rare. You can't get this squishy in. Why is there whoopsies? You're gonna have to add a lot more.
A lot more?
A lot more, like a poppet, and that's it.
A poppet?
And maybe that fidget cube. Infinity cube. I said the poppet and infinity cube. Pop it in infinity cube, or I'm not gonna accept. Add it. Add the infinity cube, or take something away and add it.
Let's take away this. No, let's take back this.
No, you're gonna have to add. Please still have the poppet in. You're gonna have to take one of these things away and add the infinity cube.
No.
Okay, accept.
No. Actually, yes.
Okay. You actually can't get that anymore. I'm not kidding.
Okay, my turn. Let's do trading phone.
Me. Okay, I'll add this. I'll add this pea popper.
Add one more thing.
Can it be little?
Yes, it can be like that. Okay.
No, not this. That's only like, you only press buttons on that, right?
Yes.
This pea popper's kind of broken.
Okay, fine. I accept.
Already? Oh my goodness. Yay!
Okay, your turn.
Just kidding. Okay, trading dimple. Going once, going twice.
I do.
Okay. Well, it's breaking.
Don't break it anymore. I will trade.
You're gonna have to add a lot because this is like my favorite.
That.
Add a lot.
That. Wait a minute.
Add. This is my
That,
favorite.
that,
Oh my goodness, I love it.
That.
More. Okay, that's good. I'll accept. Actually,
That was mine. I didn't have that.
let's trade back. I like my dimple. Well, I guess I'll trade for a dimple. ABC if you have a dimple. ABC if you have a dimple.
I have a dimple.
Okay, can we trade?
Sure.
Okay. I'll give you this stressful, silly putty, this phone, this pea popper, this squishy, this. By the way, I got scammed for mine.
Fine, I accept.
Yee! I got my dimple back! What?
You got scammed?
I got scammed.
I thought no one does that anymore.
Okay. Trading infinity cube, going once, going twice, going 3 times. This is really rare, guys.
That. I do.
It's okay.
Put it in there.
Add!
I know I'm adding.
You're gonna have to add some slime. That orange slime, and well, just that teal slime. And if you want, you can add more.
I'm gonna less it. Actually,
You can take. Okay.
I'm running out of stuff. Look at how much stuff less I have.
Oh my goodness, I'm scamming you. to play with my chewed up bubble gum?
Me?
Okay, you're gonna have to trade
Okay.
for it.
But
But you're not gonna get the container. Well, this isn't my Invisalign container. That's all I could think of. Okay, even though you have an Invisalign, you probably need a new Invisalign thing, and you really want my chewed up gum, don't you?
yes, I do.
Everyone does.
I will give you the
Add
phone.
a lot because this is really rare because it has my teeth marks on it.
Okay, go.
And it has my spit on it.
Should I add or not?
Add 80 more things! All of your things!
I don't have 80 more things.
Add all of your things. And by the way, I'm not a free giver.
Okay, I decline. My turn to...
Who wants my chewed up gum?
I'm trading. What would you trade for the pea popper?
That's it. Not adding.
I decline.
This.
Actually, I accept.
I got it! Beep, boop, boop.
I'm so nice.
Yeah, right.
Okay, your turn.
My turn. Okay. I'm gonna add trading pot 2.
Ooh, yay. I will give you this and this.
Actually, I'm not trading my pop tube. Sorry, that was an accident. That was my cousin.
Okay. What's wrong with your cousin?
I don't know. My cousin has problems.
Okay. Trade.
Oh. Who wants this toothpaste that I kind of bit?
Not me.
Who wants toothpaste? It's a squishy thing, and you don't get the cap.
I'm good.
Why don't you want toothpaste? Trading toothpaste. You're gonna have to trade for it.
I decline.
You need to trade for my toothpaste.
I will give you nothing.
I have to add for my toothpaste. I'm not a free giver. Add!
I don't want the toothpaste.
Well, you're not gonna get the cap, so it's more fun.
Whatever. Okay, my turn. This is our last round.
Add!
I mean, I'm trading
That's mine.
the fidget thing.
That's mine. Do you know that? That's mine.
There's no you traded it to me.
For my toothpaste.
No,
Okay. Add 80 more thousand things.
no, I'm not adding. This is for, I'm trading this. I'm trading this. This is the last round. Trading.
After Fidget ASMR. Oh, I love me some Fidget ASMR.
That's not a. This is the,
After, subscribe for Fidget ASMR.
here's some.
We're gonna do it anyway. I know you're gonna subscribe. Okay, Fidget Trading